Alright, question 10. Let's read the question as always. Mr. Yap has 65 bicycles and tricycles in his shop. We do not know how many bicycles he has in his shop exactly, nor do we know how many tricycles there are. But when you combine the number of bicycles and tricycles, you have 65 such machines. I think you can call them machines because it makes work easy, right? According to the definition of science. Here we go. The wheels of the bicycles and tricycles, they go round and round, and at the same time they add up to 174. Okay, so the 65 bicycles and tricycles have they have 174 wheels altogether. Now you know that bicycles have a bicycle has 2 wheels, right? And a tricycle has 3 wheels. So how do you find out how many tricycles there are or how many bicycles there are? Actually, the method at the primary school level is called guess and check, or using a table to figure out. But it's not a precise method. The method at secondary school level, now that's a precise method. I'm going to show you both methods, all right? So that if you can catch the algebra method, that's great. But if you can't, it's okay. Most of my students are unable to do so, but maybe there's some out there who's watching the video who can grasp the algebra method. So if you can use it. Actually, it's really taught in Sec 1, okay? So if you can get it at P6, great. If not, you use the table or method or guess and check to some degree. Here we go. You have bicycles, and this is the next one is the wheels of the bicycle, and the next column you have tricycles, the number of tricycles, and the wheels of the tricycle or tricycles, and they add up to total number of bicycles plus tricycles. And you have next column, the last column is the number of wheels the bicycle and tricycle have. So this is the number of bicycles, the number of wheels the bicycle have, the number of tricycles, the number of wheels the tricycles have. This is the number of bicycles and tricycles, which has to always be 65. For example, you have 1 bicycle, therefore the number of tricycles have to be 1 plus what equals to 65? 64. So 1 bicycle has how many wheels? You know 1 bicycle has 2 wheels. Alright? And 64 tricycles has 64 times 3. 64 times 3. You get 12. 6 times 3, 18. 192. 192. So the total number of wheels is 2 plus 192 is 194. We want 174, not 194. So this is out. Huh? Now we try the next one. Let's try the next one. You don't need to go to the next number 2 because then you got to list quite a number of numbers. Let's try 10. If you have 10 bicycles, you would need to have 55 bicycles. 10 plus 55 equals to 65. 10 bicycles would have 10 times 2, 20 wheels. 20 wheels. Alright? Now, 55 bicycles would have how many wheels? So 55 times 3. You get 15, carry 1. Carry 10 actually. Okay, whatever. Here we go. 5 times 3, 15, 16. 165. So you get 165 here. 165 plus 20 is 185. 185 is still more than 175. So let's increase it. Let's try 20. 20. If you have 20 bicycles, you must have 45 tricycles. Alright? So 20 bicycle has 40 wheels. 20 times 2. 45 tricycles would have 45 times 3, which is 15, 12, 13, 1, 3, 5. 135 wheels. 135 plus 40 is 175. 175 is just one wheel more than 174. So maybe we want a plus or minus 1. Look, in order to decrease the number of wheels, I increase this. So if I want to decrease one more, I increase by one more. Let me try. 21. If I have 21 bicycles, I should have 44 tricycles. This is 42 wheels. 21 times 2, 44 times 3. Again, we can do it this way. 4 times 3, 12, 13, 1, 3, 232 wheels for 44 tricycles. You add them up together, you get 174. So this is 174 here, 65 here, and this is your answer. Alright, I'm going to show you the other method soon. This is the other method of solving it. It's by algebra. Now, if you watch this video and you feel confused, forget about it. Don't follow this method. Use the earlier method. Alright? If you can get it, great. Alright? If you can get it, great. Here we go. Now, we have to use the x here. Alright? Let x be the number of tricycles. Now, and y be the number of bicycles. Okay, so x plus y is equals to 65. Now I know you're going to lose me now. Don't lose me. X is the number of tricycles, y the number of bicycles. Number of tricycles plus bicycles is equals to 65. Let me make it easier for you. Let t be the number of tricycles and let b be the number of bicycles. So tricycles plus bicycles is equal to 65. Better, right? Okay. Here we go. A tricycle has 3 wheels. So the number of wheels the tricycle has is the number of tricycles times 3. 3 times t is 3t. And for the number of wheels the bicycle has is number of bicycles times by the number of wheels, which is 2, 2b. And when you add them up, you get 174. Now, you have done this sort of sums before, and I did tell you this is actually secondary to mathematics, which is called simultaneous equations, simultaneous algebraic equations. So, to find the answer, it's actually very simple. I'm going to use the primary school style, okay? I'm going to write this below here. T plus b equals to 65. Can you see? You can see. Okay, I'm going to write it above here then. 3t plus 2b is equals to 174. T plus b equals to 65. I take the top minus the bottom. Alright, you get, what do you get? You get 109, is it? 109 plus, yes, 109. 2b minus b. B is considered 1b. 2b minus b, you get b, 1b. And 3t minus 1t, you get 2t. Alright, so you get a new equation, but I can minus this again. Let me minus this again. 1t plus 1b equals to 65. Watch what happens, alright? 109 minus 65, you get 35 plus 9. 35 plus 9 is 44. Am I correct? 109, yes. 1b minus 1b, no, nothing. 2t minus 1t, you get 1t. 1t is equals to 44. So the number of tricycles is 44. You want to find the number of bicycles? It's 65 minus 44, which is 1 to 21. So you have 21 bicycles and 44 tricycles. If it's too tough, don't bother about it. Watch this video again when you're in Sec 1 then. Alright, or Sec 2. You might make more sense then. Okay? See you.